Need to know how much data you have left on Boost Mobile? There are three main ways: using text codes, the Boost Mobile app, or the Boost Mobile website. For the quickest check, text data to 611611 or 611 if you're international. You'll get an instant SMS reply showing your remaining data, minutes, and texts. Alternatively, log in to the Boost Mobile app on your smartphone. The dashboard shows your real-time data usage with breakdowns. Finally, you can log into your account on boostmobile.com to view your balance, top up, or manage your plan. All methods are free, but the app and website offer more detailed information. Boost Mobile's prepaid plans require you to manage your data proactively. Checking your balance prevents throttling, which means slow speeds or unexpected charges. The Boost Mobile app now features AI-driven notifications, alerting you when you're nearing your data limit. Also, consider enabling the Data Guardian feature in the app, which forecasts your usage based on your historical data. Looking ahead, the trend is toward more app-based interactions and AI assistance. In the future, augmented reality and blockchain technology could further enhance data tracking and security. The app is becoming the primary method for most users.